Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use your Android phone as a microphone. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using your Android phone as a microphone can be helpful in various situations, such as online meetings, voice recordings, or as an external microphone for your computer. And here are the general steps to use your Android phone as a microphone. This method is a wireless connection, so the first thing would be install a microphone app on your Android device. Examples include WO Mic or any app that suits your preferences, and then tap on Open. Download and install the companion software or driver on your computer from the Microphones app website by clicking on WO Mic Installer and clicking on the downloaded file. Step 3. Connect your Android phone and computer to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 4. Open the microphone app on your phone and configure the settings by tapping the 3 dots, then on the top right, then go to Settings, and once you get there, go to the transport. Make sure it is set as Wi-Fi. Start the companion software on your computer, and now go to Connect to make sure the connection is set as Wi-Fi, and also match the codes on the Android. So copy these codes to PC, and now click on Connect. Step 5. Test the setup by speaking into your Android phone and checking if the computer receives the audio. To do this, go to the Settings app, go to System, then find the Sound section. Once there, scroll down to find Input. Now in this section, make sure the downloaded file WO Mic is selected, otherwise it won't work. And that's it. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.